Welcome to BuySpares. This video will show you how to remove and check a washing machine filter. Before replacing a part in any electrical appliance, you must ensure that the appliance is first unplugged from the mains. If your washing machine isn't draining or the drum isn't spinning, it may be that the filter's blocked. Before you check the filter, put a towel down underneath to catch any excess water. Unclip the cover to remove it and you'll see the filter here. You can then just remove it and check for any blockages. For all the spare parts you need, visit www.buyspares.co.uk.